Ever thought about building a website with zero code, no developers, no tech headaches, just you and a few smart AI tools? In 2025, it's not a dream, it's a workflow. I gave myself one mission: build a professional site using only AI. Here's what happened. Hey everyone, welcome back to AIChief. I'm Josh, and today I'll show you how I built a complete website using only AI-powered platforms: CodeWP, Wix, and Framer. Let's dive in. Step 1. Plan and generate code with CodeWP. I started with CodeWP, a WordPress-focused AI that writes clean code from simple prompts. I asked it to generate a homepage layout, navbar code, and a contact form. The AI delivered real, usable WordPress snippets ready to drop into a site. Perfect if you want AI-generated custom functionality without actually writing code yourself. Step 2. Build fast with Wix AI Website Builder. Next, I jumped into Wix. Its AI Builder asked me a few questions: business name, type, style, and then auto-built a full website with real content and layout. I added the CodeWP snippets to make it more dynamic. No drag and drop, just answers and results. In under 10 minutes, I had a live, responsive site. Step 3. Polish the design in Framer. Sleek, modern UI. Framer uses AI to convert text prompts into beautiful, animated website sections. I copied content from Wix, described the design I wanted, and let Framer build the layout. It was fast, pixel perfect, and mobile optimized. End result? A fully functioning, great-looking site built entirely with AI. No developers team, no design skills, just smart tools. Which tool would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-code AI builds only here on AIChief. See you in the next one.